Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and customize Do Not Disturb settings on Android phones. Using Android's Do Not Disturb feature, you can set the hours that you let messages and notifications steal your attention. And you can customize the settings so specific people can reach you regardless of whether Do Not Disturb is on or not. When Do Not Disturb is turned on, it sends incoming calls to voicemail and does not alert you about calls or text messages. It also silences all notifications, so you're not disturbed by the phone. You might want to enable Do Not Disturb mode when you go to bed, or during meals, meetings, and movies. Do Not Disturb can be set to activate automatically on a schedule, which is great for bedtime, or manually whenever you need quiet time. You can enable Do Not Disturb mode in a hurry, with just a couple of taps. Hold down the control center by swiping down from the top of the screen. If you don't see the Do Not Disturb icon, swipe down a second time to see more icons. Find Do Not Disturb and tap it. Each tap toggles it on or off. And to open it, just tap and hold the Do Not Disturb icon for a second or two until it opens the Do Not Disturb settings screen. Another way is by going into the system settings, then to sounds and vibration menu. And here below is the Do Not Disturb button. You can toggle it on and off. And to go for the settings, just tap here in the left. Do Not Disturb can be scheduled to run at a specific time of day. To set Do Not Disturb schedule, follow these steps. Toggle on the Enable as scheduled. Tap the days of the week you want to set Do Not Disturb for on a recurring basis. Then tap back. Then choose the start and end times for the Do Not Disturb period. Do Not Disturb settings give you a lot of flexibility for allowing exception, letting specific contacts calls go through for example, or getting task alerts or reminders. To set exceptions, follow these steps. Tap Allow Exceptions. On the Allow Exceptions page, select Custom, then specify how you want Do Not Disturb to work. To allow repeat callers, anyone who calls twice within 15 minutes, to ring through if you turn on DND, just toggle repeat callers by swiping the button to the right. To allow calls or messages from people in your contacts list or only favorites to ring through, tap Calls from or Messages from and choose which contacts you want to allow. You can also allow event notifications and reminders to alert you by turning these options on as well. This covers customizing Do Not Disturb settings on Android phones. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. And if you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.